Welcome to AI Toolkit Online. Now, in this video, we'll explore the AI Rewriter feature. It's an easy to use but powerful tool to help you improve, simplify, or rephrase your text effortlessly. So, to get started, log into your dashboard, select the AI Rewriter tool. This feature is ideal for enhancing existing text, making it clearer, more engaging, or tailored to a specific audience. Simply paste your text into the input box. So what I am going to do here is I created a poorly written text email from Hank to Marcus, and you can choose a tone such as professional, casual, or creative, and adjust the length to suit your needs. So for this example, we're rewriting this business email. We paste the text as I did here, select a tone, let's do professional, and click rewrite to see the magic happen. As you can see, in just seconds, the AI delivers a polished, rewritten version of your text, and it's ready to use. So if you need more options, generate multiple variations or tweak specific sections for the perfect result by using the Regenerate button here. You can download the Microsoft Word. What I do is I use the copy to clipboard and just put it into my email client. So when you're satisfied, just save your work to the Documents section for later use or export it directly as shown here. Now, the AI Rewriter is your go-to tool for creating clear, engaging, and professional content. So log in today and give it a try with AI Toolkit Online.